Good morning, everyone. Good morning. The chapter is chemical reactions, and we have completed simple displacement reaction. Now, the topic is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. When two substances react by exchanging their radicals, they exchange their radicals and form new substance. The reaction is said to be the double decomposition reaction or double displacement reaction. See, here is an example. There is two salt A and B. React with two salts C and D. C and D. When they react, they form new substance A and D. And B and C. This is the new substance. A and B, when A and B react with C and D, they form AD and BC. It is AD. A, the structure of A is this and D is this. So when they combine together A and D to form A and D, and rest is C and B and C react together and form BC. So B is displaced by the D. B is displaced by D, and the position of this C, it is taken by the B, and the new compound is BC is formed and AD is formed. Here is example. Look at the example. NaOH react with HCl. A, B, C and D. This is A, B, C and D. New product AD is formed. A is Na or D is Cl, and BC is formed H2O. This is known as double displacement reaction. This is sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid, and they form sodium chloride and water. The another example for it is sodium nitrate react with FCl, NaNO3 react with hydrochloric acid. It forms NaCl and HNO3. NO3 is displaced by chlorine, and the place of chlorine taken by the NO3 and formed HNO3. So it is known as double displacement reaction. Another example, silver nitrate react with HCl, and same here they form HNO3 and AgCl. This is another displacement reaction example. NaCl react with HNO3. NaCl react with HNO3. They form HCl and NaNO3. Sodium nitrate and hydrochloric acid. These are the example of double displacement reaction. Do you have any doubt? Have you any doubt? Okay. What do we observe and how we can say that the displacement reaction is taking place in the reaction? Here is an example. Sodium chloride solution is in a beaker. When we pour silver nitrate, it is AgNO3. We can say that the sodium chloride, they exchange their radicals and form white precipitate of silver chloride. When NaCl and AgNO3 react together, they form AgCl and NaNO3. There is a white precipitate of AgCl which is settled down at the bottom of the beaker, white PPT. PPT is an insoluble substance produced in a reaction, is known as precipitate. Here is the equation is given. I think the chapter is over now. Yes. Do you want to ask anything? We have completed the chapter. After that, only one lesson is remaining, that is metals and non-metals. Are you listening me? Okay, I will give you the answer of this chapter on Moodle app and ready for the test. Get ready for the test. Next time I will take your test. If you have any problem regarding this chemical reactions, you can ask. No one is having any problem. Okay, look at the exercise. Worksheet. Which is on page number 80. Study the equation given below and state the type of reaction taking place, whether it is synthesis, decomposition, displacement or double displacement. Here is an example. Sodium react with FCl and form sodium chloride. It's a simple displacement. Then nitrogen react with oxygen to form nitrous oxide is a combination reaction. They combine together to form new substance. Potassium iodide react with chlorine and form KCl and iodine. It is also a simple displacement reaction. Iron react with water to form ferric oxide and hydrogen. It is also a simple displacement reaction. No, it's not a displacement reaction. I think it is a combination reaction. Leave this. I will give you the answer of this reaction in Moodle Heap. Fifth one. Look at the fifth. NaCl react with AgNO3. Sodium chloride react with silver nitrate to form silver chloride and sodium nitrate. It is a reaction of double displacement. Magnesium chloride react with sulfuric acid to form magnesium sulfate and HCl. It is also double displacement reaction. Nitrogen react with hydrogen to form ammonia. It is a combination reaction. Copper sulfate react with iron to form ferrous sulfate and copper. It's a simple displacement reaction. Simple displacement reaction. It is also simple displacement reaction. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Now the question number 2. Question number 2 of worksheet. Give your observation for following right chemical equation also. Give observation and equation for the following. First one is zinc strip immerse in hydrochloric acid. In HCl. You can see the answer of this on page number 85. At the top of the page, what do you observe? When iron rod is immersed, it is this zinc strip.
Page number?
Wait. Immersed in FCl. Yes, page number 85. Activity number 2. When zinc strip is added to hydrochloric acid, you have to note down all the things. The figure, diagram, description and equation. Is it clear to you? The next is mercuric oxide is heated. When mercuric oxide is heated, you can see the answer on page number 89. No, 84. Page number 84. The activity number 1. Got it? Wait a minute. Oh. Activity number 1. You have to write the description, equation and draw the figure also. There is a silver mirror is produced. The equation is twice HgO on heating it change into mercury and oxygen. Number 3 is red lead is heated strongly. Red lead is heated strongly. Answer is on page number 84. Red lead. It is activity number 3 on page number 84. Are you getting all the things? Kindly reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 4th. Iron rod is immersed in copper sulfate solution. In copper sulfate solution. You can see the answer on page number 85. Page number 85. When iron rod is immersed in a copper sulfate, activity number 1. And the 5th is silver nitrate solution is added to sodium chloride. Silver nitrate, AgNO3, is added to NaCl solution. You can see the answer on page number 85. Activity 1. Are you getting the answer? Yes. Why don't you reply? Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Look at the question number 3 of worksheet. Complete the following equation and balance them. You have to complete the equation and balance them also. Zn plus HCl. What is the product? The product is zinc chloride and hydrogen. We are having twice chlorine here. So we have here 2. On putting 2 here, hydrogen is 2 and chlorine is also 2. We can get the chlorine 2 in zinc chloride and hydrogen is also 2. So this is the complete and balanced equation. Then AgNO3 and NaCl. They form AgCl and NaNO2. NaNO3. We can see that number of silver is 1, number of silver is 1, number of chlorine ion is 1 and 1. Everything is balanced. Zinc and sulfuric acid. It forms zinc sulfate and hydrogen. Zinc sulfate and hydrogen. Again, it is balanced, complete and balanced equation. Number 4 is Ag2O. On heating, it forms 4Ag plus O2. Because O2 is, number of oxygen is 2 here. So to make it 2, we have to put 2 before this. On putting 2 before this silver oxide, it forms 4, 2 to the 4. 4 atom of oxygen. So we have to put here 2 and it is O2. Fifth, on heating, it forms PbO and O2. So we have to balance it. It is number of lead atom is 3 and here is 1. Number of oxygen is 4 here and here is 3. So 3 to make it 3, number of 3 is on putting 3, the number of oxygen is 12. 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There is something problem is here. How do we balance it? 4. 4. Yes. On putting 4 before this, the number of lead atom is 4 3s are 12. To make it 12, we have to put 12 before PbO. On putting 12, the number of oxygen is 12 also here. After this, 4 4s are 16. Oxygen is 16 and 12 is there. Remaining is 4. To make it 4, we have to put 2 before oxygen. This is the balance equation of lead
मैम
oxide. Yes.
मैम इन मॉडल एफ वी आर सीइंग थर्ड चैप्टर मैम आपने कराया नहीं क्या?
Third, chemical separation, I think, separation of substance. Yes, we have not completed this. And this will not in your syllabus. Number
Okay,
3,
ma'am.
7 and 8. 3 chapters are reduced to your syllabus. After this chapter, we are having only one chapter, and that is metals and non-metal, chapter number 9. Is it clear to you? Only one
Yes.
lesson is remaining. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Equation number
Ma'am.
6. Mg react with nitrogen to form Mg3 N2. Number of magnesium is 3 here. To make it 3 here, we have to put 3. On putting 3, the number of magnesium is 3 and number of nitrogen is already 2. So there is no need to balance more. Number 7, zinc react with sulfur and it forms ZnS. All the atoms are one single, so here is also one. It is balance equation. Number 8, CuCO3 on heating it forms CuO and CO2. So number of oxygen is 3, 2 and 1 3. Number of copper atom is 1 and carbon is 1. Already balanced. H2 react with chlorine to form twice HCl. Number of hydrogen is 2, number of chlorine is 2. So we have to put 2 before HCl and it is balanced now. Last is 10. H2 react with oxygen to form H2O. So number of hydrogen is 2, number of oxygen is 2. But here is a ratio is 2:1. So we have to put 2 before this. 2 2s are 4 and 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2. These are the answer of worksheet. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Look at the tick the correct option. The correct formula for calcium nitride is C. Ca3N2. Because the valency of calcium is 2 and the valency of nitrogen is 3. On interchanging them, so we put the valency of calcium on with the nitrogen and valency of nitrogen with calcium. Fe2O3 is the chemical name of ferric oxide. Answer is B. Then, which of the following is an inflammable gas? Nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen and hydrogen. And the answer is B, carbon dioxide. Because carbon dioxide is needed for the extinguish the fire. But oxygen is required for the burning. And nitrogen and hydrogen all are inflammable gas. The bluish green copper carbonate upon heating forms a black residue. Answer is B. Which of the silver salt has white colorization? And it is answer C, AgCl. Fill in the blanks. The catalyst used to convert sodium dioxide to sodium trioxide is V2O5. Vanadium pentaoxide. The chemical formula of potassium chloride is KClO3. Trilate tetraoxide is also known as red lead. Ribbon can burn in nitrogen. Magnesium. And number 5 is gas is liberated when zinc strip is added to HCl. Hydrogen. The answer is it clear to you? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
Yes?
मैम आपने बायोलॉजी में जो मैम चैप्टर 3 भेजा है ना मैम,
Name of the lesson is what?
मैम एनिमल्स,
Animals.
क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एनिमल्स.
We have completed this.
मैम you uploaded the question answers, मैम. It was photo was
Okay.
so मैम we can't see and write.
Okay, I will try to send it again.
Yes मैम.
Okay, for today, I'm leaving the class. Time is running out. Rest of the question I will give you on Moodle app. See, what you have to do, invest the following. If any question will come in your exam, write the correct option in front of the column A. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for today, I'm leaving the class. Have a good day.